Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to make video into text Premiere Pro. Here's a video footage. Click on File, then New. Open Legacy Text. Name the text here. Type the actual text anywhere you want. From here we can change font style. Change font size from here. Now just need to make a video into this text. So we need to use an effect. Go to Effect panel and type here Track Matte key. Drag this Track Matte key onto the video clip. Then go to Effect Controls. Here we can see a drop down icon behind the matte option. Click on it and choose the video you want to make into text. Now we can see here the video into the text. This is how we can make video into text. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for staying with 5 Minute Solution.